Did you know that one night shift taxi driver's honest choice turned $75,000 into a $1 million career? Teresa worked nights driving taxi to pay for her daughter's surgery. Medical bills were crushing her family. Then one busy night, a businessman rushed out of her cab to catch his flight. He left behind a briefcase. Inside, $75,000 in cash and important business papers. Teresa stared at that money. It could solve everything. Her daughter needed surgery, the bills kept growing. No one would ever know. But Teresa couldn't sleep. She tracked down the passenger and returned everything untouched. The businessman was shocked, then deeply moved. He didn't just reward her honesty. He discovered Teresa had a business degree she'd never used. He offered her a partnership in his company. 2 years later, Teresa managed a whole fleet of delivery trucks. Her daughter got the surgery. Her family has financial security. That one honest choice didn't just return $75,000. It opened doors to a completely different life. Sometimes doing right pays better than doing wrong.